Dear Natural Health friends, we have an exciting announcement for the upcoming Body Mind Spirit Health and Wellness Expo at the Helena Civic Center on October 18th. This year we offer 80 vendors and 20 lectures and workshops. And we are thrilled to offer an exclusive early bird special for the first 60 people who purchase entrance tickets. For just $5, you will gain access to this transformative all-day vendor show and to all lectures and workshops. Plus, early birds receive a specially curated gift bag filled with amazing treasures. Inside you will find gift certificates and gifts from the vendors at our event. You best check out the gift bag right away, because some coupons can be redeemed right during the show and others may be used within the next 2 or 3 months. All items have been donated by the vendors that you will then meet inside the expo hall. To receive one of these gift bags, simply be among the first 60 attendees in line when the doors open at 10 a.m. As you enter, you'll be handed your exclusive gift bag, setting the tone for a wonderful day of health and wellness. The full contents of the gift bag remain a surprise, ensuring an element of discovery and excitement for all of our early attendees. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to kickstart your wellness journey with valuable insights and great treats. Mark your calendars for Saturday, October 18th, and be sure to arrive early to secure your spot among the first 60 entrants. Gift bags are provided exclusively for paid admission only. We proudly offer free entrance to our veterans. Children 12 and under receive also free entrance. We look forward to welcoming you and your family as you explore the vendor hall together. We can't wait to see you there and share the knowledge of Montana's largest alternative and holistic event. This will be fun, uplifting, and genuinely unique. Mark your calendars for Saturday, October 18th, 2025.